after seeing our video of us winching in the South Luangwa Park, some folks are asking about our T-Max winch, and specifically about what looked like rope. Well, it actually is rope. It's a special kind of rope that's specifically made for winches. And for us, the biggest reason to choose the rope over like a traditional steel cable is probably safety. So typically, if a steel cable on a winch under serious tension, like when you're winching yourself out of a bog hole, if that cable snaps, it can recoil and cause incredible damage. And there have been some horror stories about people getting injured really, really badly. Whereas these ropes, they don't recoil as badly. You still need to take precaution, of course, but it's mainly a safety thing. We're out there in the wilderness by ourselves, so having this T-Max winch on our vehicle is incredibly important. But you need to understand that winches can be seriously dangerous, and that's why we've chosen to go with the rope on our vehicle. It makes us much more comfortable that if we find ourselves in a recovery situation, that we're as safe as we can be while using the winch.